Yes, folks. So part 3 on the botanical garden here. So I did that trail this morning on part 1 over there. Yeah. And we're going to start part 3 now. Yeah. So this is part 3. Start with the exercise bashment down there. And we start with the stream coming down here. Yeah. As I say, boots now setting up because it's early morning. Come back here later, gonna be much different. Yeah, you got. So we're starting, as I say, part 3 here, and we're going this way. Yeah. Go and check more flowers again. Concentrating on the flowers now. Yeah, these are the little readout for you. Yeah. So we're just checking in all the nice flowers. Alright? Alright. So here we got this here. Starting. And we're gonna continue going this way. Yeah. Yeah, and down here is fragrance. Walk down here, you could smell the flowers in here. You could smell them, brother. You don't need no perfume around here. Look at this tree here. And this is the name of them. Yeah. Yep. Yep. So this is just a circle of different flowers, but they're not really bloom yet, you know? So we just go around it. Yeah, few start blooming, but yeah. But it smells sweet and nice from here on. Yeah. Yeah. So we continue looking for more. Okay, this tree here now. Yeah. What is this here? What is the name of this tree now? Okay. So you got, yeah, you get it. Prunus, yeah. Wow. So that plant in May 91. And look how big these trees are in 91. Oh, daddy here, my daughter born. Yeah. Hey, well, yeah, okay. Yeah, 91. This is the next one here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This is the name of this one here. Yeah. And we continue. Yeah, so I did the trail this morning on part 1. We had this next tree here now. Go up a little closer to the line. And that's the name here. Yeah. So that's how we do it now. We're just checking out the trees and the different species, names of the trees on them, or the fruit trees. All of these are fruit trees. Yeah. And where is it? This one here now. Yeah. And we're coming around. We got this one and we got this one here. But I guess this one and this one is the same, so yeah. All of these here is the same. Yeah. This one is different though. There's a tag on it there, but I can't really see. Well, let's see. Yeah. Yeah. On. Yeah, then we going around. Sprinkler system on. Here's this flowers here. A lot of birds in here too. Yeah. And this tree here now, let me go a little distance so you could see this tree here. Come up closer to the leaf. And here is the name of this. Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna go around the circle here now. So garden circle with all the flowers here. Yep, all different species of flowers blend together in here. The Jordan circular, yeah. And then we come back over here now, this tree here now. What is this one here? Syringa. Yeah. So I did all that trail this morning on part 1 and bus out here, so yeah. Let's check this tree out here now. This is the name of him, this here now. Yeah. So let's take this circle on the outside now. Yeah. So we take the outer part circle on this side now. Checking some more plants. I did all that trail this morning already on part 1. Yeah. Woodland garden here now. Yeah. So I did all the trails as I said this morning, all up there. Yeah. So we're dealing with woodland garden now. Yeah. See, there's a little bridge in here. Let me see where that bridge they go. So I did all of that this morning. Yeah. I did all that this morning, all that trail this morning, all back there. On part 1. And this is the Freeze Rubber Woodland Trail, yeah. So I did that this morning. And here we must go over this bridge, yeah man. Yep. Take me right back out. Yeah. At least we cross the bridge. Huh? Yeah. And then we keep going. to some nice flowers here. This is the name of it here. Yeah. Yep. Get the name again. It smells nice here. Smell very nice in here. Yeah. Wow, smells nice. So we go in again. Yeah, all these are left and right. Yeah. You got these flowers in the Caribbean, those yellow ones over there. We go over there in a minute. Yeah. So let's swing in here. What's this here? Okay. Yeah, so let's go check this here out, this tree here. Alright, that's the name of it. Right. And this, because a Christmas tree, this is the correct name here. Yeah. And then we have this one here. Alright, so we're out of this area now. And we're checking out flowers. So I did all that trail as I said this morning. Yeah. Let's swing in here and see what's showing off in here. Yeah. And this is the name of this here. Yeah. Protects. Yes. Alright. So we got next overall look at it again. Nice. So we walk the whole thing over here and come back down. So as we go up this way,
ganyan na po sa medyo nakaslag na. Ito okay lang. Okay lang namin.
and here the rose garden over here. So how we gonna do this? We're gonna go from here. Take the boat path going down here. Yeah, that's him there. here is the rose garden. Yeah. We'll go to the middle here now. Let's take a next look at this one here. Yeah, so that's the rose garden here. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna go around this side now and go in here now. Alright, so let me go this way. All the rose garden area. Yeah.
Hindi, pero okay na. Sulit na din yung dalawa na.
Yeah.
May printing nga daw sila. Ano? May business.
Alright, so we walk around this one.
就是主要是一场的场馆，现在没人做一
那你说解放前的做的不会更少了？
就是啊，解放前
啊，那朝代不同了。
A little closer.
北方的。
All sweet over here. Nice fragrance in it. Go in this circle.
like oh.
Yeah, yes. Yeah, so let's continue here. We go to the circle around here again. Taking a bit of that. All these. And we come to the bee, the buzzing area now. I saw that on the board this morning. Yeah. I could see all the bees flying around here at the cubs. Yeah. Yeah, so that's where the bee, they make the honey in there. Yep. Honey area. I see no beekeepers in there today, so maybe it's still early, so maybe you see them later. Alright, so we making the circle again on the outer side of the flower garden here. And if you notice, we start right across there, right? Okay. So we make a nice little circle on this again. Different angle. Yes, yes. So let's go back this way now, where we started. Yeah. Yeah, and we go back this way. Yeah, remember we started on the herb garden over there? Yeah. We didn't get this one. Yeah. What else we didn't cover? So we did the flower. Oh, we got more to go, man. I see some more gardens in here. So let's go into this one here. We almost missed this one. Yeah. Well, it seemed like it closed, but we're gonna take our look in here. Yeah. You could still get a view in here. It's not, I think it's here open after 11 today. Yeah. Yeah. I think they do weddings and stuff in here. Yeah, but as the guys say, they'll be opening after 11. Yeah. All Flushing Meadow Botanical Garden, yeah. Flushing, New York. Yeah. So let's head back at we are more, man. We are more to deal with. As you can see, they're still setting up. Yeah. And we're coming around. You thought me ain't done, eh? We're not done yet. On. Let's go see if we see some apples now. Where is this tree here? Yeah, this ain't doing too well. Yeah. And who is this one here now? Yeah, this is apples again. Pear, it seems like. Come a little closer. That's the fruit there. All right. So I see some apples over there. We're gonna go over there in a little while and check those out over there. Yeah. Yeah, so remember we started here at the books, you know, the little library here, and then we took a picture at the wedding area from the other side. Let's peep in this side, you know, so you could see a little better from this angle. Yeah. Alright. So let's go see if we see some apples now. Okay. Look at it, folks. Young apples, bro. Soon they'll be loaded with apple. All these trees are apple trees. Like this one, you know. Apple too. Yeah. So all these apple trees. Let me go out and get the whole zoom of the whole thing, you know. All apple. And then we have some red ones up here. We go a little closer up there. Yeah. Oh yeah, all up there. Man, full of apples all over. Look at that. All over. Next angle here. Oh, look, some bigger ones up here. Wow. Now you're talking. Look at over here, folks. Ay, look at that. I can't even reach one. Yeah. How could I reach one? I want to see how it tastes. Yeah. All are fully. Yeah. Look at that. I think I reach one. I'll taste it. All up there, of course. Sweet, man. Wow. It's good. Wow, sweet. That's good, man. I gotta come back here, boy. Yeah. Yeah, so folks, that should be the end of the herb and fruit vibes here. Yeah, just each apple, it's so sweet and nice. Yeah. Yeah, what a way to end it up, you know? Yeah. So let's walk back here and go back to the starting point and we'll end it up there. So we're heading back now to the car. Yeah. Take another look at the kids' garden down here again from this side here. Yeah, we didn't get it from this side. Yeah. The kids' farm. Yeah. Children garden. Yeah, their own thing there. Farmer kids. Yeah. All right. And we're heading back. The sun is out now. Yeah. Get another view from here as we're walking back. Part of the park. Out. Nice chill out stone over there. Oh yeah, that was a good one, man. Yeah, man. So we come right back to the map of the garden here. Yeah, you take it in again a little. Queen's Botanical Garden. Yeah. You get all the layouts of the different areas, which we didn't, all of them. Yeah. And then we continue heading back to the car. Area 1. Yeah. And I didn't think we walked the parking lot, so let's walk the whole parking lot here, see what kind of flowers they have around here. Yeah. So that's, I think, is 1 to 5 areas for parking. Yeah, so that was 1 where I parked down there, and this is 2, 3, 4, and 5, I think. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the entire parking area. Yeah. So there's a nice bunch of flowers right here. Okay. Yeah. Some kind of rose. Yeah. Alright. So now we head back. Heading back into the parking lot now. Parking lot 1. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm back. Yep. So that's me here. Yeah, man. Yep. So, folks, that was part 3 of the thing, Botanical Garden here. So we did part 1, part 2, and part 3. So this is the final wrap up now. So it was a good one. And yeah. So we'll be back here. Must be something we miss out. But with that said, stay tuned and catch me on the next one. Yeah. Yeah, folks. So peace out. Catch up on the next one. Yeah.